friends, welcome to Kalpana's kitchen. But today I will not be cooking in my kitchen, but we'll be going out to see the Pathai Prabhu Anand Mela, which is being held at Khar, 12th Road. Today is 4th Jan. Okay, let's go and have some fun at the Anand Mela. Okay, and let's go and see what our Pathai Prabhu foodies are up to. Okay, let's go now. Yeah, this is Shrida with a lovely collection of jewelry. This will come on YouTube.
Please.
And that's a mummy. What have you done? What have you kept?
This is imitation jewelry for the wedding season.
Oh.
And this is Kolhapuri.
Kolhapuri also.
From
Very good.
Kolhapur.
From Kolhapur. Okay, fine.
Yes. And these are cupcakes
And
and brownies
cupcakes also.
homemade for the
So cheap.
Pathai Prabhu touch.
What was it?
Pathai Prabhus love homemade stuffs.
Oh.
Something new. Cupcakes
Lovely,
and
Shrida.
brownies.
I'm very proud of you.
Thanks so
Superb.
much.
Doing good job. Nice. Till see you, Shrida. Bye, Shrida.
Bye.
Neha, what did you purchase from Shrida? Oh, lovely. Lovely. Very nice. Neha Mankaria. Aha, with a mom. Smita. Hi, what have you kept? What have you kept in your stall?
Yes, aprons,
Oh,
hankies.
okay. Every year you keep, right? Lovely. Very nice. And you've been doing this for how many years now?
More than 8 years.
Lovely. And who helps you?
Myself
Where's your
and my
granny?
mommy. Yeah,
Where's your-
no, not my granny, my mommy.
Mummy. Hi, your granny. Hi. Lovely. All the best, dear.
Thank you.
काय ठेवलं तुम्ही? चॉकलेट्स आणि काय आहे? आणि तुमचं पुस्तक? What's that? Pickle? Prawn pickle. Wow, you always do this, ना? You keep prawn pickles, ना? आणि काय आहे? हो, हँडमेड फुलं. आणि काय ठेवले तुम्ही मावशी? हे तुमचं पुस्तक आहे ना? हे इंग्लिशमध्ये मराठीमध्ये? इझी वेज ऑफ कुकिंग. ह्याच्यात पाठाई प्रभू आहे का? सगळं आहे. पाठाई प्रभू आणखीन. व्हेरी गुड. या ग्रेट. यू आर रिअली रॉकिंग आंटी. हाय. हॅलो. लवली. बोल, काय ठेवलंस तू?
हिमाची कवटं, मसाले,
आणि काय?
लोणचं, लसूण चटणी.
वा. And your keema counter you keep every year, right? And what about the wine?
Wine also I keep.
Not kept here. Kept elsewhere.
You have not kept wine. Where have you kept it? I always take wine from you also. Okay. Keemachi counter how much?
40 for one. 40 for one.
40. You bring keema counter.
ते मग मला पण द्या. आपण दोन आणि
Give me 4 na. 4. Give me 4, huh? 4. Hi, Malia, कशात? How are you? मुंबईमध्ये
मुंबईमध्ये आहे.
फिरत असतात तुम्ही आपल्या जगभर.
आता जूनमध्ये जाईन असं वाटतं.
हो.
मीनाच्या दुसऱ्या मुलाचं आहे.
हो,
यायचं जाऊ का ना
जाऊ मजा करा. लिंबाडी. हाय. काय
कोण नाही.
काय ठेवलं तुम्ही?
आम्ही फोटोग्राफरच्या याच्यामध्ये पण आहे
अच्छा.
आणि याच्यामध्ये पण आहे. प्रभू प्रभातवर पण आहे.
खरवस आहे. हाय सुमित्रा. हाय मॅडम, काय म्हणतायत? काय चाललंय? बोल.
So we're having a lot of fun here. We're almost sold out.
Almost sold out. What is this, foodies? So what have you now
This was
left?
our first,
Sorry, you're
first attempt at this. So
Acha, very good.
next time we'll stop till we last.
Lovely. And what have you kept?
We have
a prawn pickle.
Prawn pickle.
and we have mutton masala.
मटन मसाला.
Right now we have left and
आणि तुमच्या पेढ्याच्या पोळ्या संपल्या का?
आणि रास्पबेरी लेमोनेड आहे. बस एवढंच उरलं.
एवढंच उरलं. Okay, foodies, see, Soumitra Velkam is beaming with happiness. He's very happy. He's sold out everything.
Made a big profit today.
He's made a big profit, so he's going to give us all a big party, okay?
Yeah.
Foodies. Chalo, bye. Nice, nice. हाँ, बोल.
Before you finish recording.
Go.
And
Nice.
you finish.
बोला कर. Hi, Dipti. How are you? What are you?
I'm good.
What have you kept in your stall today?
New collection is Dutch bags, then it's wine water cover,
Okay.
tiny bandwas
Oh,
here.
this is lovely. Very traditional.
tie and dye bags.
Tie and dye bags. Okay. What else?
Sling bags,
Very
then
nice.
sling bags.
Yeah, very hip, right?
Yeah.
Lovely. What else?
And then toasters are there.
Okay. Lovely, lovely. This is all designed by you,
Yes,
Dipti?
designed by me.
Very good. Hello, doctor. हाँ बोला काय तुमचा म्हणता? You're on YouTube now, okay? You'll be coming on YouTube, so just log.
बंद केलं मी.
काय तुम्ही सांगता? What have you kept? What have you kept?
Zorabians basically Sikh kebab, reshmi kebab, malai,
Okay.
tandoori.
All this is available in Borivali.
Borivali.
Okay.
Not only that, you will get all the raw chicken also.
Okay.
See the board.
Oh yeah, the board behind, yes. Okay.
We do all that and more.
Okay.
And we have seasonal farm products also. Mango, chiku, guava, mango pulp,
Okay.
all available all around the season.
Lovely.
Okay. Then we have in Marathi we call it as Kadwewal.
And are you on Facebook?
Yes, I'm on Facebook.
So anyone from Facebook wants to order,
Yeah,
how do
yeah.
they approach you?
Yes, absolutely. Jagruti _ Kothare.
Sorry?
Jagruti Kothare.
Jagruti Kothare. Okay. Fine. Nice meeting you, Jagruti.
Thank you. ही रेसिपी मी तुमची करते. मला खूप आवडते.
Hello, what's your name?
कांचन विजयकर.
Kanchan Vijayakar.
I love you very much.
Thank you so much. God bless
तुम्ही
you.
मला पाठारे प्रभू जेवण शिकवलं मस्त.
Lovely.
एकदम
हाँ?
मला काहीही येत नव्हतं.
हाँ.
कॅनडा पर्यंत गेल्यात त्या
आणि
तुमच्या रेसिपी सगळ्या कॅनडा पर्यंत गेल्या
कोलंबीचं ते खडखडलं.
कडकडलं.
एक्सलेंट.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
आय एन्जॉयड इट.
Thank you very much.
सगळे जण खूप मजा. तुमचे रेसिपी मी एक तास बघत बसते.
My God.
आणि
Thank you.
नंतर यांना जेवायला देते.
Lovely, lovely. I'm so happy.
मी तिला शिकवतो पण माझ्यापेक्षा तुमचं ते परफेक्शन आहे ना.
Oh, नाही नाही
त्यांना
असं काही
सगळं
नाही.
माहिती असते, सगळी
Okay,
आयडिया
okay,
असते.
okay.
पण मग तुमचं बघून बघून मी एकदम मस्त अशी एक्सपर्ट झाली आहे.
Wow,
कधी
wow,
पण तुम्ही
great.
येऊ शकता जेवायला माझ्याकडे.
अरे बाबा, where do you stay? Where do you stay? कुठे राहता तुम्ही?
इथेच बारावर
बारा
असते.
रस्ते
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा. I'm so happy to meet you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
घराजर राहतात ना आशीर्वाद मध्ये त्यांच्या समोर
Okay.
ऑर्किड
तुम्ही नसता तर मला पाठारे प्रभू जेवण आलंच नसतं.
म्हणून तुम्ही चालू केलं. It's for you all only.
तुम्ही
तुमच्यासाठी.
पण करत राहा. नेहमी
Thank
माझा
you.
सपोर्ट असणार.
Thank you very much.
खूप झाली तिला.
व्हेरी गुड व्हेरी गुड. ह्याच्यासाठीच चालू केलेलं आम्ही ऍक्च्युली. माझं इथे
Prawn patties, we have chicken patties.
सॉरी
Prawn patties,
वे पॅटीस.
this is prawn patties.
ओके.
This is chicken patties.
चिकन पॅटीस.
Prawn patties, mukka,
ओके.
biryani,
बिर्याणी ऑल्सो लवली.
boneless chicken biryani, salad,
ओके.
काजूची पोळी.
काजू पोळी
हो.
लवली. आणि
We have this gulabjam.
ओके.
गाजर हलवा and malai kofta.
Oh my God, there are so many things.
Plus some assortments of masalas.
But how do you know frying and all?
चालू आहे.
And where is your sister? बहीण कुठे आहे?
Wait, I always see she has some other company.
Oh. So how is it? Fine?
Yes, I just मामाने सांगितलं ते बघ मामाने रामला पाहिलं तुला. So he said last time आम्ही नेबो.
Hi Asmita, how are you?
Hi.
How is your stall going?
Good, good.
What have you kept?
experience.
What have you kept?
Chicken puffs.
Okay.
Chicken
One minute,
croissants.
1 minute. What is this?
Chicken puffs, yeah. That's my end of the stock for the day.
Lovely.
Chicken croissants.
Okay.
Chicken rolls.
And
And some sweet goodies.
the first time you kept the stall here?
Yes. The
What-
second time.
Second time? What's your experience?
Good, very good.
Enjoyed?
Enjoyed the rolls.
Lovely. How was the response?
Good.
Very good.
Yeah.
So any message for the foodies on Facebook?
keep joining the group.
Ah,
So
okay.
let's have more and more of people into the group.
Lovely. Bye, sweetheart.
Bye.
Hi, Trupti Talpade. How are you?
Good.
So, what have you kept today?
Jewelry is there.
Yeah?
It's a lot of imitation jewelry.
Okay.
Also, Ganpati jewelry is there.
Uh-huh.
So, and clutches are there, box clutches.
Oh, box like this is new item you have kept?
Yeah, this is the
You always keep only jewelry, right?
Yes.
And for how many years you are doing this here now?
This is we are doing for last 20 years around.
20 years. But here in this...
For this Pathare Prabhu, we are doing it for I think 10 years. Yeah,
10 years. Why is he hiding? Hi. So you support your wife, right?
Yeah.
She's doing a good job. We are all proud of her.
Thank you.
Thank you, Trupti.
Thank you.
And give my love to your mother-in-law.
Sure.
She's my childhood friend.
Yes, sure, I will.
Okay, you saw I'm so excited. I attended the Pathare Prabhu Anand Mela and it was just fun. I met so many friends and relatives and I got so many varieties of food to eat and I met a lot of our foodie friends also. Now in my video I've tried to cover as many as I could because you know it was very noisy, but and I'm sorry if I've missed out on some names. I couldn't recollect their names, so I'm sorry friends if I've missed out on your names. I've missed out your table. I've done my level best to get all of you on this video. Okay, so now friends, if you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Yes, bye friends.